you drive a GM truck, so either a Chevy or a GMC, you may or may not know, but when you turn your high beams on, your fog lights turn off. So today, I'm going to show you how to keep your fog lights on when you turn your high beams on. So what you're going to do is go into the driver's side into the dash here, and you'll find the plug for the body control module. It's that brown plug right there, and you can pull it out or you can leave it in there, but there's a brown wire with a white stripe, and then there's a purple wire with a brown stripe, and those are the two that you're going to connect with your diode. And if you see there's a little gray stripe on there, that has to be oriented the right way. There's and I'll try to get like a wiring diagram just going to show on the screen, but there's a brown wire with a purple stripe, and that gets the side of the diode that has a stripe on it. And then there's a brown wire with a white stripe, and that gets the other end. And you just push it down in there next to the wire, and you kind of have to push it pretty far because you want it to touch the metal in there. And basically what it's doing is it's telling the truck that when you turn on the high beams, you want the fog lights on. It's just triggering. It's just trigger wires, all it is. So that's how you do that. So then when you go to the front of the truck, you can kind of see the LEDs kicking on there, but go ahead and go up front here. So now you can see all the lights are on. You've got highs, lows, and then the fog lights are staying on. So that's what we want. That's how you do it. It's not too hard. So that's it. That's the 6 high mod. Pretty easy. Takes just a couple minutes to do once you locate the wires. Like I said, you just got to make sure that the thing isn't flipped the wrong way, where you got the stripe going towards the purple wire, and slide it in there far enough. You'll kind of feel it once it gets past just the insulation of the wire. I'm sure the stuff you get from Fleece and Boost Auto Parts, I'm sure it's good, great quality. I mean, it's just why bother when you can spend a nickel, you know? So yeah, that's it. Be careful. If you put it in the wrong slot, you can screw your truck up, from what I've heard. I've done this on 3-4 trucks now. Never had an issue. Like I said, just make sure you got on the right ones. You'll be good to go. Anyway, that's it. Take it easy.